Aloha Felitos, Foodz are helping you find your foods, folks, and today we'll be having Nabisco's Chicken in a Biscuit Original Crackers here on Foodz, folks. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourish us all and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We'll have timestamps. You can skip through the video in the parts you want to see. Here we go. Okay, it comes like this. Oh, perfect. Alright, now does this taste like chicken? Because it says chicken in a biscuit. Alright, that's the shape. It's like the picture. Alright. There we go. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Look at that. Guys, this is great. I give it a 4.8 out of 5 stars. Nice, good saltiness to it. And it's a good, like, soft crunch to it too. Look at that. It's almost like a sky flake. However, it's like a softer sky flake. The flavor here is so good. To me, it doesn't taste like chicken. Doesn't smell like chicken. This is great though. Easy to eat, soft crunch, doesn't hurt your gums, it dissolves pretty quick. This is a good cracker. Wow. Where have you been all my life? Look at that, guys, this is great. Get this. Wow. You can just keep eating this the whole day. Wow. And just keeps getting better. You can have it just the whole thing by itself, or take a half of it, and yeah, not too dusty as well. Yeah, get this, guys. Thank you folks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Mahalos.